Where'd the baby go?
Looks like Santa crapped a baby.
Marilyn, look at the camera. Marilyn.
My hair's just like flying everywhere.
I know, your hair's a monster.
I know. What? That was nice.
It was nice.
Why is the baby on Santa's shoulder?
I'm not sure, but I
It's like getting suffocated by his beard.
Why is his beard on the back of his head? It's not one. What are you doing?
Beetle's just gonna ride the horse.
What's that pointed at?
Crap.
Because it looks like it's just going straight to my mouth. Lovely camera. Baby's doing it with the wall.
Oh my god!
What I hit? Oh, I hit the cat in the hat. My bad. I'm sorry.
Here, do you want me to take that?
I can.
Blah, blah, blah.
I love you, Santa. Looks like he's hugging his face.
Can't see you. Hang on, it's really zoomed. This will be so close. Oh my god, it's just straight on your face. Woo!
The baby is attached to his face.
Whoa.
It looks like
I was like,
his eyeballs.
Oh, your hands are sweaty.
I'm gonna eat those cranberries. What are those?
That's holly. They're poisonous. They kill people, Marilyn.
I'm gonna eat those cranberries. Why would Santa just have cranberries like on his hat?
I'm not sure.
Save them for later. Here's my cranberries from last night, man.
I gotta go.
Oh my god, there's a window up there.